Hey there, and welcome back to my latest video. Today, I will be exploring some fantastic techniques on how to create this Bollywood-style text and video effect. I am thrilled to share this with you, so let's dive right in. First, go to a free stock video site and download some videos. The effect works best with dynamic video material. Add the video clip of your choice to the timeline. Next, add the text above the video clip. You can select one of the many text presets, but this is not recommended in this case. Select a bold font from the font drop-down list. Arial Black is usually a good choice. This font seems to be well suited for my background. I will change the text to something more appealing. Drag the corner widget to adjust the text size to the screen. That looks boring. I will add more text. Capital letters show more of the background and are therefore preferable. That looks better. Reminds me of Miami Vice. Next, change the font color. You do not necessarily have to. It would also work with white, but I prefer to do it this way. Now scroll down and add the background color. Change the height to cover the background video clip. Select the text element and drag it to the right to increase the duration for which the text is displayed in the timeline. 7 seconds should be enough. Right-click on the selected text and convert it into a compound clip. In the Cutout tab, select Chroma key. Use the color picker to select a green area. Increase the strength until the text area becomes transparent. To get a preview of the effect, press the play button. To make it a bit more dramatic, decrease the speed of the video clip. To further fine-tune, add an animation to the text. Play around with presets and see what fits best to your footage. I will use something rather simple in this case. I'll zoom in the text at the beginning and use a fade-out effect for the end. Let's play back the animation from the beginning. Okay, I guess that's good enough for this tutorial. To finish up, cut the background clip to fit your text, then export the video. So this was my shot at creating a stunning video effect in CapCut for PC. Thank you for tuning in. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content.